What's up? Shadow Old here again, and with another video for you. And I'm wearing a Castlevania shirt that I friggin' love. I just got it at Hot Topic. House of Belmont. Yes, it's almost Halloween, about a month from now. But anyway, so I want to do some wolf sounds. I'm feeling the wolf really strongly today, and also phantom ear and tail sensations, which is pretty cool and quite interesting. Can't really move anything, but I can feel things a little bit. So here we go. I'll start with howling. So that's howl and bark. It's kind of, there's people nearby, so I mean outside. So you do the bark. Bark and it's my angry wolf.